We're starting right away, marching those knees up high. Arms up at chest height, twist the torso towards the knee up, side to side. Arms down, march up, and open the hip one side then the other. Step the feet to a wide stance. Let's move through side-to-side lunges with knife hand strikes 10 times each side. To a horse stance hold, alternate high blocks 10 times each side. Move to an attack stance, left leg forward, right leg back. Jab, jab, cross, left, left, right, 10 times. Still in attack stance, right knee strike, hands slap the knee on either side 10 times. Same stance, we're blocking left, right knuckle punch for 10. And before we switch our stance, 10 front snap kicks with the right leg. Keep the foot flexed, striking with the ball under the toes. Switch to defense stance, right leg forward, left leg back. Jab, jab, cross, right, right, left, 10 times. To knee strikes 10 times. Block right, left knuckle punch for 10. And 10 front snap kicks with the left leg. Last one. Step your feet in to hip distance apart. We're going to step to a curtsy lunge and come up to a side kick, then repeat on the other side for a total of 5 on each side. Next, we're moving through low side to side lunges, 10 times on each side. Move your arms as you like. You can elbow with a low block like I'm doing, or even keep your hands down for balance if you prefer. Last one. Move on to your right side, right forearm down, knees bent. Lift the left leg. We're going to press the body up with a left side kick 10 times. Flip over to your left side, 10 side kicks with the right leg. Turn now onto your back. Knees bent, arms ahead of the body. Sit up with 2 cross jabs 10 times. Make your way up to seated. We're going to float the heels to a half V sit. Option to lightly rest your toes down if you need to. Get long through the back, lift the chest, 10 cross jabs on each side. Then 10 elbows back on each side. Try to keep the legs still. And then 10 cross elbow strikes each side, again trying as much as possible to not move the legs. Lower the feet, hands down behind you, float the hips. Alternate front kicks 10 times on each side without touching the hips down between reps. To a C-sit hold, hugging the knees. Pull the soles of the feet together. We're ending with a butterfly stretch, drawing the knees down.